Hi guys, welcome to my video. I hope you have a very amazing day with your family. So now I'm at the field, the rice field, okay, with lots of water. They usually grow rice in the field, but too much water because of the rain, so we cannot see the rice, okay. But the view of the field also is amazing and very breezy. Look at all the views in the countryside with the cows. See the cows at the back of me, okay, the cows, and little mountains, the small mountains at the back of me too, okay. Here's a beautiful rice fields with lots of water in here, okay. So you see all the flags in the farm. That's they are going to grow the crops in the farm, and then they put the flag in order to chase all the animals. Oh, I'm sorry, all the birds. Okay. Mira las banderas en el campo es para ah, detener los pájaros. Los pájaros. Mira, los campos de arroz son muy bonitos. Mira, es un pescador, ¿lo ve? Un chico con la camiseta roja es un pescador. Tiene la red de pesca, red de pescado, la trampa de pescado o la red. Nadie se sabe porque el que está bastante lejos. Aquí tengo una vaca blanca. Mira, pero la vaca muy delgada, se come poco y trabaja más mucho en el campo, por eso la vaca es muy flaca. The cows is so skinny, probably works a lot in the field, and the owner did not feed them much. That's why she become very skinny. Look at all the man who put the fishing traps or fishing nets in the water. Beautiful fields. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Beautiful fields. Los campos de arroz son muy bonitos. Mira, hermoso campo de arroz. También con casa de gente. Aquí la vista de campo está todo lleno con el agua de la lluvia.